Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x18 diecast model of Range Rover Velar. So I bought this model from aliexpress.com for nearly $110 and it is available in 5 colors option: bronze, grey, white, black and red. So if you want to buy this, I'll provide the link in the description. We have also made a miniature 1x18 diorama for this model, so if you want to see the video of that, you can click the link on the top right corner. So if you're not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more videos of these miniature houses, you can subscribe to our other channel, Miniature Homes. I will provide that link in the description. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.